Hansen, Window Warriors Forum. Check us out at windowcleaningwarriors.com. Today we're washing about 50 stairwell windows. It's on a 3-story building. What we're doing is a single hung. They're crankout windows, inside and outside. So the best option for us is, do we ladder 3 floors, first, second, and third, or on the outside, or can we do it all from the inside? We're choosing to do it all from the inside, and we'll take a look at what that involves. First, we remove the screen, unlock the window, crank that window out, clean the outside, and we're working on the top, working down because our water is going to fall and drip on any windows below us. So being able to crank that open, and we have enough gap here to reach our arm out to wash the window. And then we take and detail after we squeegee. Basically, we're just finding a way that we can eliminate the ladder work. All of these hallway stairwell windows are, each one is probably 150 feet away from the next. So if we were to take a ladder all the way around the exterior of this building runs for two city blocks. It is a long distance to just kind of take a ladder outside. So we figure, get it all from the inside, eliminates all that downtime of traveling with the ladder to and from each window on the outside. We have a separate rag here for our, wipe up the bottoms. We have a separate detail rag. We're going to detail all the edges. Once we finish cleaning all the inside and the outside, then we replace the screen. Flash the screen. So we're doing 3 of these on each floor. Like I said, about 50 of them. And just kind of the way we found it saves time. We've been doing this job for probably 6 years. And the first time we tried water fetting on the outsides, it's just too much moving around, even with the cart-based system, to travel to each and every one. Worked out best doing it this way, and that's the way we're doing it. It's out here, Window Warriors Forum.